Guys, this is a video. Okay, guys. Hey, doggy, wake up.
No.
Doggy, wake up. It's time for dog school.
Okay.
Come on, let's get ready.
Why? I didn't want it to go to school.
A few minutes later. Come on, get on the bike.
Okay, I'll get in.
Scene 2 at the school.
Hello, teacher.
I'm with. Why are you late today?
Sorry, teacher. I had trouble waking up.
Well, tomorrow you should not be late because tomorrow is a big date.
Yay, what is it?
We are going to a field trip.
Ooh, we're going on a field trip. Yay.
The next day at school. Here are the instructions for the field trip.
Oh no, there's a fire. Yeah.
Oh no! These guys died! Oh, because of the fire! Shoot! What happened? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Shoot! No! That is the video, guys. Everybody will die. And also, if you want to make the same video, here is the script. This is the scene 1. And this is the scene 2. And this is the scene 3. So if you want to make the same video, you can use these scripts to make. And
Bye, guys.
And also, give me your address in the comments so I can send these guys to you. So that you can also, if you're interested, you can also make a video. Guys, this is not a spam at all. Please send me your address. This is not a spam at all. I am sure I'll give you these papers right away. This is not at all a spam. So see you guys in the next video. Yes.
Bye, guys.